Imagine a fitness routine that not only helps you shed unwanted pounds, but also boosts your endurance, leaving you feeling energized, strong, and ready to conquer the world. Look no further than the realm of cardio exercises. In this video, we will unveil a collection of dynamic and effective cardio exercises specifically designed to accelerate weight loss, improve cardiovascular health, and enhance your overall endurance. Get ready to embark on a fitness journey that will push your limits, challenge your body, and deliver results that will leave you amazed. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast looking to take your training to the next level, or a beginner seeking a sustainable way to burn calories and improve your stamina, these cardio exercises will be your trusty companions on your quest for a fitter, healthier you. Number 1. Jumping rope. Start your cardio routine with the classic jumping rope exercise. This high-intensity, full-body workout torches calories, improves coordination, and enhances cardiovascular endurance. Number 2. Running. Incorporate running into your cardio routine, whether it's on a treadmill, outdoors, or on a track. Running is a highly effective way to burn calories, improve cardiovascular fitness, and strengthen your leg muscles. Number 3. Cycling. Hop on a stationary bike or hit the road on a bicycle for a low-impact cardio workout. Cycling engages the lower body muscles, boosts endurance, and can be done at various intensity levels. Number 4. Rowing. Utilize a rowing machine or take your workout to the water with rowing exercises. Rowing provides a full-body workout, targeting the legs, core, and upper body, while also improving cardiovascular fitness and promoting weight loss. Number 5. High-intensity interval training or HIIT. Incorporate high-intensity interval training workouts into your cardio routine for maximum calorie burn and improved endurance. Alternate between short bursts of high-intensity exercises and active recovery periods to keep your heart rate elevated and burn fat efficiently. Number 6. Stair climbing. Find a set of stairs or use a stair climber machine to challenge your lower body and cardiovascular system. Stair climbing is an excellent way to build leg strength, boost endurance, and burn calories. Number 7. Elliptical training. Hop on an elliptical machine for a low-impact, full-body cardio workout. This exercise mimics natural movements, engages multiple muscle groups, and provides a challenging cardiovascular workout. Number 8. Kickboxing or boxing. Engage in a high-energy kickboxing or boxing workout to elevate your heart rate, burn calories, and improve overall fitness. These exercises combine cardio and strength training for a total body workout. Number 9. Dancing. Put on your favorite tunes and get moving with a dance workout. Dancing is a fun and effective way to improve cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, and boost your mood. Number 10. Circuit training. Incorporate a variety of cardio exercises into a circuit training routine. This involves performing different exercises back-to-back with minimal rest, keeping your heart rate elevated and promoting weight loss. Remember to start at a sustainable intensity level for your fitness and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your cardio workouts over time. Consistency and progression are key to achieving weight loss and improved endurance through cardio exercises.